But actually, I would say we have to re-globalize this world.
When we invest in clean energy and electric vehicles and reduce population,
all the things that are out there, what could cause an excess in a single year of 10 million deaths? Now, clearly a big war could, and a pandemic, natural or created by bioterror.
The first step on this journey is simple, yet crucial: conquer your addictions. Identify what's holding you back, whether it's bad habits, toxic relationships, or self-destructive behaviors. It's time to cut them loose and reclaim control. Breaking free from your addictions is the gateway to a more powerful, focused version of yourself. Remember, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. Optimize your health. You need to have a strong mind-body connection. To master your destiny, you must optimize your health. Get in good physical shape. Exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling unstoppable. A healthy body contributes to a healthy mind. Speaking of mind, clear it. Meditation, mindfulness, or any practice that helps declutter your thoughts can work wonders for your mental clarity. Also, for a complete health improvement. Don't ignore health problems, face them head on. Whether it's curing illnesses or achieving clear skin, prioritize your well-being. Now, let's talk about a crucial aspect of mastering your destiny: social connections. Your network is your net worth, and building meaningful relationships is key to unstoppable success. Get closer to your family. Family members provide a solid foundation and emotional support. Strengthen those bonds, communicate openly, and let them be part of your journey. Choose friends wisely. Surround yourself with individuals on the same wavelength as you. Positive, driven friends can uplift you and push you to new heights. Studies show that the right amount is 2 to 7 really close friends that are part of your unstoppable tribe. Master the art of making friends everywhere, anytime. Improving your social skills is a game changer. Learn to connect with people effortlessly, whether it's at a networking event or even a coffee shop. Now, let's talk about creating the destiny you desire. What do you want to do with your life? Take the time to visualize the future you want to create. What does success look like for you? Define your goals with crystal clarity. Once you know your destination, develop a strategic plan. Break down your goals into actionable steps. Only now comes the real test: execution without action. All your dreams remain just that, dreams. Take massive action. Execute your plan with discipline. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. The grind is where success is built. Embrace the hard work, stay disciplined, and watch your destiny unfold. Once you have done all the previous steps, the only thing you need to do is to solve the final piece of the puzzle: consistent, continuous improvement. Consistency is the backbone of success. Embrace it. Whether it's in your daily routines, work habits, or personal development, consistency builds momentum and propels you towards your goals. Make reflection a habit. Regularly assess your progress, celebrate your wins, and identify areas for improvement. Never settle for mediocrity. Always strive to be better than you were yesterday. Challenge yourself to break through limits and set new standards. The relentless pursuit of improvement is the hallmark of champions, and the road to success is paved with resilience. If you manage to execute all the previous steps with success, congratulations. You are now part of the top 1% of humanity. However, that still leaves us with 80 million people that are also at the top. You will notice that after all the work is done, there are new mountains to climb. Make sure you don't fall off. And remember, life is ultimately all about happiness. Make sure you enjoy every single second of it, even at hard times. Happiness is the most effective way out of them. Be happy. Peace.